free Cool Gray 11 giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below your Cool Gray 11 size. I'm picking the winner at the end of this month. Good luck on the Cool Gray 11's free giveaway for the Moore family. Sole Premise makes high-quality backpacks for sneakerheads when you travel. Their bags hold a ton of sneakers. They have all different styles, all different colors of backpacks, duffel bags, carry-on bags, all TSA approved. They're very affordable and they're great quality. Make sure you guys click my link down below in the description and be sure to use my discount code to save 40% off your order from solepremise.com. Their bags are high quality, very affordable, and perfect for sneakerheads. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring this video. Must buy Air Jordan 1s that will go up in price in 2022. Hit on the Nike Sneakers app on a restock for this sneaker for retail. This is a straight W and a very cheap sneaker investment. A lot of the times, these sneaker investments cost hundreds and hundreds of dollars per pair. You can buy this sneaker for about, you ready for this? This is one crazy price. About 130, 140 bucks, and you can make money on this sneaker. This is crazy. As you guys can see, we have a Jordan 1 box. This is a grade school Air Jordan 1 investment that is going to make you money in 2022. Size 6.5. Y. Any size in grade school is good, except I would stay away from probably a 3Y or a 4Y, but anything other than that, the bigger size is 6, 6.5, 7 is really where you'll make the most profit. Those will go up faster as well. Right now is the time to buy. The sneaker restocked recently. It made the market drop about $20 to $30. It will go back up that $20 to $30 and it will surpass it in 2022. I see grade school of this sneaker being easily at $200, $220, $230, easily a $200 sneaker. Right now they're undervalued. Now is the time to buy. So if you have money, this is a Jordan 1, a cheaper Jordan 1 that I recommend buying, holding on to. I want to film my sneaker collection soon. So if you guys can get this video up to 500 likes, I'm gonna film my collection video. Retail is $100 on the Air Jordan 1 Low Starfish in grade school sizes. Last week did a video talking about men's pairs. Well, now we gotta talk about grade school because grade school is the better, cheaper hold. I think men's is more profit in the long term. However, grade school will go up, I think, a little faster, and especially is the cheaper investment. That's the big thing when it comes to this sneaker right here. This is a cheap, affordable Jordan 1 investment that you can buy multiple pairs, a lot of pairs if you have a good amount of capital, and you can hold on to them and let them go up in price. These are going up in 2022. These must go up in 2022. The grade school, easily $200 sneaker, in my opinion, in 2022. I'm a firm believer in this sneaker going up in price for multiple reasons. First of all, the colorway. It has the white toe box, the white midsection, Nike Air on the tongue, Jordan 1 Low in OG form. They have to go up. With this color blocking and, of course, it being this orange color, of course they have to go up in price. You guys take a look. Remember the Shattered Backboard 3.0s in grade school sizes? Check those out on StockX. That graph is crazy. Something similar could happen here. I don't think the same thing exactly will happen, but I definitely see them being worth holding on to for a few months into 2022. They're gonna go up in price, guys. They're undervalued. To get them for like 30, 40 bucks over retail at only $100 retail, that's crazy. You're spending way less than retail on men's pairs for this investment to easily go up to $220, if not more, in 2022. I love cheap investments because honestly, it's cheap. It's cheap. It's as simple as that. You get to hold on to it and make money on it, and it doesn't even cost you a lot of money to hold on to it. You know, some cases, like a Travis Scott Fragment, if you're holding on to that, that's like 1,500 bucks. You can get like 12, 13 pairs of these for that one pair of Travis Scott Fragments. I think these are a great hold in grade school sizes, is my point, guys. These will definitely go up in 2022. They're undervalued right now. Quality, even on grade school pair, is very, very nice, man. The grade school quality is nice with the leather, the orange, the black Nike swoosh, the Wings logo in back. You have that beautiful Nike Air on the tongue. This is just a dope shoe. Nike Air on the insole. Everything is there for this sneaker to go up in price. If you do not have capital, do not go out there, buy these, and sit on them. You need to continue quick flipping. If you hit for retail and you do not have capital, sell them, take the profit, put it back into other shoes. If you have some money, you know, you have a decent amount, and you hit for retail, you have a few pairs, or you want to go out there and spend some money on some pairs, I would say that's a smart move. Hold on to your pairs, go out there, buy some pairs. These are safe, guys. This right here, in my opinion, is a safe, cheap Jordan 1 investment for 2021 and into 2022. Guys, don't forget, of course, about the Shattered Backboard colorway. The orange just pops on Jordan 1s, and it always does well. This is going to do well. They're undervalued right now. I keep stressing it. I can't keep saying it enough. So make sure you guys go out there, pick up pairs of Jordan 1 Low Starfish in grade school sizes. I do recommend, like I said, the bigger sizes. I think it'll be a better hold, quicker hold. That's why I'm holding like a 6.5. I have a few other grade school pairs that I'm holding on to as well. Not too much, but I definitely am gonna invest a little bit of money into these and just let them go up in price, because I know they're going to in the next few months coming in 2022. This is a good hold, in my opinion, both in men's and grade school sizes. Let me know what you guys think about the Starfish Air Jordan 1 Low down below in the comments. Let me know if these are a cop or a drop for you. For me personally, I think they're a cop. I think they're definitely a cop. Very clean. It's in the family of the Shattered Backboards. It's in that orange family. So these are a cop, man. These are dope. And let me know what you think about resale price. Do you think they're gonna go up in price in 2022? Do you think this is like a must go up in price shoe like I think it is? I want to give you guys a little secret about what helps me tell sometimes if a specific sneaker is going to go up in price. For the most part, not every single pair, but for the most part, majority of the time, I would say, if it has a white midsection with a white toe box and then a solid color surrounding, it's going to go up in price. Whether it's Jordan 1 Lows, Jordan 1 High OGs, or Nike Dunks, that's the trend of what's happening. I could name a ton of sneakers that have that white section, the white toe box, that have gone up in price, guys. A ton. Guys, the Jordan 1 hype is not dead. I want you guys to comment down below. Let me know if you think it's dead, and if you think it's dead, why do you think Jordan 1 hype is dead? I don't think Jordan 1 hype is dead. I think Jordan Brand needs to release some better colorways recently, but I don't think Jordan 1 hype is dead whatsoever. You guys must go out there and buy the Shattered Backboard or Starfish Jordan 1 Low in grade school sizes. I think they're a great hold and just gonna go up in price in 2022. Don't forget to enter in the free Cool Gray 11 giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and comment your Cool Gray 11 size down below. I'm gonna pick the winner at the end of the month. Good luck. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.